In custom car audio, when we add a new aftermarket speaker into the door of a vehicle, we need a speaker adapter. This is a way to adapt the new hole pattern of our aftermarket speaker to the mounting bolts for the door of our vehicle. Now, unfortunately, some doors have a very shallow, limited mounting depth, like the doors on my dad's sound quality daily driver build that I'm currently working on. So how can I make sure that these speakers are going to fit? That, my friends, is coming up. Speaking of making sure that things fit, if you have an upcoming car audio install and you want to see what gear will fit in your particular vehicle, I definitely recommend checking out show sponsor, Crutchfield. With Crutchfield's vehicle selector tool, you can easily select your year, make, and model vehicle, and you can see Crutchfield's research in order to determine what car audio gear will best fit your vehicle. You can learn more about Crutchfield and take advantage of a special offer for car audio fabrication fans by clicking the link down in the video description. To get started, I've removed the factory speaker from the vehicle and I'm using this special long tip marker in order to trace the outside profile. Now I'll put a link to this marker and the rest of the tools and materials that I'm using in this video down in the video description. For this project, I'm going to be using the CarAudioFabrication C7 6-inch component speaker. I recently did a full overview video on the C7 components. If you want to check that out, I'll have a link for you guys at the end of this video. This C7 6-inch, like most powerful woofers, has a large motor structure that I need to account for by adding spacers to the front of our adapter. I'll be making this first ring out of 3/4 inch thick PVC plastic. I'll be using two 3/4 inch pieces of plastic for a grand total thickness of 1.5 inches. Make sure that you plan in your project ahead of time to make sure that this gives you enough speaker clearance and that you don't hit the inside of your door panel. Now that I have that ring made, I need to take that profile that I made earlier that matches the adapter in the vehicle, and I'm going to copy this to a piece of 3/4 inch PVC as well. Before I move on to attaching my two rings together, you'll notice that this edge has a hard, unfinished look, and I need to clean that up, so I'm going to use this 45-degree chamfer bit on the router. Now that my ring assembly is made and the center fully cut out, I need to mark the mounting holes for the factory adapter that will go into the vehicle. Now that I have the speaker fully mounted into this adapter, I can go ahead and mount this adapter assembly into the door. With the careful planning that I did earlier, the speaker fits with more than enough clearance and it does not contact the inside of the door panel. Now that I have the A-pillars completely made and the woofers added to the doors, I need to turn my attention to the subwoofer enclosure for this vehicle. I'll be addressing this in the next video. If you like car audio lessons, product overviews, and build log videos like this video, I'd love to have you as a subscriber, and don't forget to hit that little bell icon so that you'll be notified when I release these future videos. Next time you're planning a car audio install and you want to know what fits, be sure to check out Crutchfield at the link down in the video description and take advantage of that special offer for car audio fabrication fans. A special thanks to Lonnie, Ali, William, Marco, Steve, Emmanuel, Jerry, and the rest of the Patreon membership team. A big thanks to all those guys and you for watching these videos and making them possible. Design, build, and install, and I will see you guys in the next video.